Hi, I want to invite you to Marche's 20th annual holiday open house. It's this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and we would love to see you. This year our theme is called Hygge for the holidays. And if you're not familiar with the word Hygge, it's a Danish term that roughly means the contentment and coziness that you feel being at home, doing things that you love with the people that you love. For me, I get that feeling of Hygge simply from curling up on the couch with the blanket that my grandma made for me years ago, reading my favorite book, wearing my favorite socks and slippers, and maybe even drinking a cup of hot cocoa by Christopher Elbow. I also get it when I'm cooking. I love to listen to Kansas Public Radio, make a nice cheesy noodle casserole, spend time with my kids talking in the kitchen. Some people love to craft. My friend Eden of Wolf Flower Boutique makes these amazing glass ornaments. My friend Julie of Stiller Goods makes these amazing ornaments from recycled sweaters. There's all kinds of things you can do to feel Hygge in your heart. With your friends, with your loved ones, even just by yourself, just having some quiet time. I want to thank you so much for being our customer. Again, this is our 20th annual holiday open house, and we couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much. Happy holidays. We look forward to seeing you this weekend.